This is how YouTubers are secretly making viral thumbnails with AI. I tested AI thumbnails versus manual design. The result shocked me. I gave AI my video title and this is what it created. There is a hidden AI trick for thumbnails nobody is talking about. In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to create clickable thumbnails. Follow me quickly. Let me show you how to do it. What you are going to do is to open your chat GPT. If you have the app on your phone, you open it. If you don't have, you can go to your browser. I've already have it here because I'm always using it. I already have it in my browser. Then you open your chat GPT because this is what we are going to use and it's very simple. So I want to take us on a very simple method. So now you see this plus sign. This place they ask anything. You see plus sign here. Click on that plus sign. So bring in the image, the photos that you want to use on your thumbnail. It might be one or two image depending on the kind of thumbnails that you want to create. So first I will use this picture first. Now this picture is screenshot. I screenshot it from my video. So what I'm going to do here is watch what I'm going to do. Now, let's say I don't know what I'm going to type on the thumbnail, but I want AI to create everything for me. I don't have the idea of the kind of thumbnail caption that I want. So, but I know my video. I know the kind of video that I made. So what you're going to do is that you tell ChatGPT about your video. Like for instance, my video, my video is on how to create thumbnail, how to create thumbnails, how to create my vid. I'm just telling you what, like for instance, my own video is on how to create thumbnails. So if your video is on how to do whatever thing, just write it. Like what I'm trying to do here is to tell, I want ChatGPT to provide a thumbnail caption for me since I don't have the idea of what I want to put on the caption. My video is on how to create thumbnails using AI. Using AI. So now look at what I'm going to write. I've just described what my video is all about. I will not tell ChatGPT use the uploaded use the uploaded image to create a very beautiful and clickable thumbnail for me. You can, since you don't have the idea of the caption, that like I can say, okay, I can now write in, see, look at it. I cannot tell ChatGPT, okay, on the thumbnail, this is what I want this to be on the thumbnail. Like for instance, at the thumbnail, put this letter on the thumbnails. This should be on the thumbnails. Or let me say the thumbnail caption. Then I'm gonna put in bracket how, let's say on the I used how I use AI to create viral. Okay, how I used in a capital letter. This thing that you're writing should be on a capital letter. Whatever you're writing on your thumbnail should be on a capital letter. How I maybe I will just, for the sake of this tutorial, let me just use small letter. How I use AI to create my oh no, this one is too long. How to create thumbnail using AI. How to create thumbnails. Your caption should not be long. It should not be, your whales should just be five whales. How to create thumbnails using. Now, without clacking your brain, you just tell the AI to provide your thumbnail caption for me. Now, I will not tell you, please provide provide the thumbnails caption for me. Make 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 the whales short and bold in a capital letter. In capital letters. The thumbnail should speak or spike should speak curiosity. Don't forget to put aspect ratio. If you know YouTube, let the AI know where you want to post the thumbnails. You know, all social medias are not, they don't use the same aspect ratio. Now I'm using this for YouTube. You can now include that. If you don't know the aspect ratio of the app that you are using, either Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. If you don't know the aspect ratio, you can just say, I'm using this video I'm using this video on YouTube or on this. But since I know aspect ratio of YouTube, I will now say the aspect ratio. I don't know if you understand. The ratio should should be 16, 16.9. Use the YouTube aspect ratio. But if you don't know the aspect ratio of the app that you're using, you can just let ChatGPT know that I'm using this for social media. So use the aspect ratio of the social media that you're using it. That is what you should tell the AI. You understand? But if you know the aspect ratio, just put the aspect ratio. Now let's send our. Let me just leave it like this first. I'm going to do another one. Let me send this one and see the outcome. So you click here to send. It's loading. Just wait. It's loading. So I will just pause the video. It's not gonna take time, just few minutes. Sorry, just few seconds. It won't take up to 1 minute or so. So I'll just pause the video and wait. Very easy. This is how people have been creating thumbnails. You don't need to crack your brain. Go to Canva, go to CapCut and start creating thumbnail from crash. I don't do most time I don't do that to save my time. I just put my picture here, tell ChatGPT what I want, the kind of video I'm doing for this thumbnail, and it will create a beautiful thumbnail for me without cracking my brain. So AI has made things easier for people. All you need to do is just know how to operate it. Your prompts is very, very important. All you need to do is to know how to prompt, because it's what you prompt that is what they're going to give you. So guys, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I have many tutorials that I'm going to share on this channel. Wow, guys, see our thumbnail. Look at our thumbnail. What do you think? Is it not beautiful? You see, the AI now provides the thumbnail caption for me because I don't want to crack my brain. I started thinking of what to write on the thumbnail. You can see that I just asked the AI to put caption for me, and it just put AI thumbnail secret revealed. You see, look at everything. It just designed everything for me, and the aspect ratio is YouTube aspect ratio short. You can see that it doesn't take me up to 3 minutes to do this. Very simple and easy. If you want two picture to appear on the thumbnail, you upload the two pictures and write what your video is all about. If you don't have any caption if you don't have idea of the caption that you want to put, if you have any idea of the caption you want to put, you put it in bracket bold. It will put it for you. If there is a way that you want the color to be, like, you tell ChatGPT, it will do anything for you. So just wait, let me do another one so that you can understand it more better. You need to do after ChatGPT has done creating your thumbnail for you, just download it. See download icon here, click on download, and it's going to save directly to your phone. So this one, I'm going to use another image. Like, let's assume that I'm doing vlogging and I need thumbnails for my vlog. Those pictures that I want to use, the maximum you can upload is three. Now let's say, okay, this is, if you have anything in mind they want to put on the thumbnail, write it. But for me, I don't want to crack my brain, so I will now say this. Okay, my video is about birthday 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 party vlog. Use the use the uploaded pictures or uploaded image, anyone, or photos, uploaded photos, to create a very beautiful and attractive thumbnails for me. Put short caption. Aspect ratio. Remember, like I said earlier, I'm using this for YouTube. So if you don't know the aspect ratio of the app that you're using it for, you can just put the name of the app and using this thumbnail for social app like this. So since I'm using it for YouTube and I know the aspect ratio already, I'll just put, then you send. So guys, if you are getting value from this tutorial, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Wow guys, this is the thumbnail for the birthday party vlog. So how do you see this without having to start from crash, creating your own idea by designing your with colors, the make it beautiful and all that. So guys, please just stay tuned. I'm going to do more tutorials on how you can use AI to create many things, not just thumbnails. I'm going to teach you how you can use AI, either ChatGPT or any other app, to create whatever thing that you want to create and started making money from it. Imagine somebody sent you something that, please create a thumbnail or a banner or a flyer for me. You don't need to start from crash. All you need to do is to get the right prompts, which I'm going to also teach you in my next video. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned a lot from this video. See you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe.